Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Decoding IPOs by Finance and Investment Cell, Kirori College. Today we are decoding the IPO of Urban Company Limited. Talking about the background of Urban Company. Urban Company was founded in 2014 and is India's largest tech-enabled home service platform. It provides a wide range of offerings such as beauty, cleaning, appliance repair, and home maintenance, all delivered by trained professionals at the customer's doorstep. With its strong presence across major Indian cities and select international markets, Urban Company has built a reputation for convenience, reliability, and quality in the on demand services sector. Now, when we look at it, about the details about the IPO, the IPO was opened yesterday, that is September 10th, 2025, and it will be closed tomorrow, that is 12th of September 2025. The issue price band is around 98 rupees to 103 per share. And talking about the lot size, it is 145 shares. Tentative listing date is 17 September, which is Wednesday. Now if we talk about the sale type, it is like fresh capital come offer for sale, in which around 472 crores are fresh issue and 1428 crores are offer for sale, totaling up to rupees 1900 crore. The Urban Company is also offering a discount of rupees 9 to its employees. And when we talk about the issue type of the IPO, it is a book building IPO and is listing at both BSE and NSE. Now, talking about the company financials, the assets of the company are like when we talk about year 2023, it was around 1631 crores and it remained about the same in the next financial year 2024. But recently, in this financial year, they have increased their assets by around 600 crores, leading up to 2200 crores of assets. Talking about the total income of the company, it was around 726 crores in 34 in financial year 2023 and 927 crores in financial year 2024. But now it has significantly increased and is now around 1260 crores in financial year 2025. Now, talking about profit after tax, we can see that in the past two financial years they were earning a huge loss. It was about 312 crores loss in financial year 2023 and a loss of 92 crores in financial year 2024. But in this year, they have earned a significant profit of rupees 239 crores. This is said to be done due to cost cutting and a huge investment in research and development. Talking about the net worth of the company, it was about 1339 crores in financial year 2023 and it reduced to about 1292 crores in financial year 2024. But then again, they have showed an improvement and it is now about 1781 crores in financial year 2025. Now the reserves and surplus are about the same and they are shown consistent in the last two financial years, while it is around 2646 crores in financial year 2025. Talking about the key performance indicators, the RONW, which is also known as return on net worth, is about 13.35%, which shows a modest return for all the investors. Talking about the price to book value, it is around 8.27, which shows that the market expects a good growth. Talking about earning per share, it is shown to be at 1.67 and stock PE ratio is at about 61.68, which is quite high, and due to the high growth expectations. Also, upon our calculations, the ROCE are shown at 2.37%, which is quite low because the capital isn't generating strong returns yet, and the return on equity is shown at 15.5%, which shows that equity capital is being used reasonably well. Now, talking about the objects of the issue, the company has shown that it is intending to spend around 190 crores on new technology and cloud infrastructure, around 75 crores on lease payments for the offices, and around 90 crores towards marketing activities, and the rest of the amount will be spent for general corporate purposes. Now, talking about the Urban Company IPO subscription status, the QIBs have subscribed it up to 1.56 times. The retail subscription is about 18.67 times, and the employee subscription is shown at 15.59 times, totaling up to 9.48 times. Now moving to the most important part, which is the GMP, Grey Market Premium. Grey Market Premium is shown at rupees 38, at last updated at 5 p.m. on 11th of September. This is also showing the expected percentage gain of around 36.89%, which is really great. It will lead to an estimated listing price of rupees 141. So, if we look at the pros of applying to Urban Company's IPO, the company is almost debt free, and another pro is that company has delivered a good profit growth of 27.6% CAGR over last 5 years. If we move up to the cons, the company has a low return on equity of minus 3.95% over last 3 years, and it also the earnings include an other income of rupees 116 crores. If we talk about the financial crux here, Urban Company has incurred net losses and negative operating cash flows. If the company cannot generate sufficient revenue growth and improve cost efficiency, it may struggle to achieve profitability and sustain long-term operations. Now, to conclude this video, Urban Company's IPO provides investors with exposure to a scaled and profitable services platform in a rapidly digitizing market with strong growth potential. Cautious investors may consider applying for possible listing gains, as grey market premium and subscription trends indicate a healthy debut of around 30 to 35%. Those with a higher risk appetite can also view this IPO as a long term opportunity after carefully analyzing the financials and overall fundamentals. However, it is important to note the elevated valuations, significant offer for sale component, recent shift to profitability, and sector specific risks before investing. Thank you.